How can I come to Where are my manners? Where are my manners? How can I come to along to happy victory? To victory, to victory. Our is a solid goal of prophet Ashalom. Illuminate to illuminate. We love women. We shall see light. Illuminate to we love women. For Christian training, we get a sure solid foundation to take our places in the future of our country and church. For Christian training, we get a sure solid foundation to take our places in the future of our. Oh, come along and join us. Oh, come along and join us. Happy Studios. Let's go! How much number was it? Friday night, don't forget tonight. Take your phone, read a chat tonight. You know your voice when it's happening tonight. You know your voice when it's happening You don't look at some of them. You don't have your watch out. Let me see how song. Let's go to that. Hey. Let's go. 1, 2, 4 boys, you know that shit gets. I love you with a stone in my place. You go like one man to the gear. Screenshot of you guys every day. 4 boys out to the play. You want no more place for the room. You get stressed out here like you do. You play the new, you get you. 4 boys every day, we don't get. But you are going to buy the job. You go take one out of the event. You can't cool your course. So crazy, so much you do rush. I'm not telling you again. 4 times, We don't give a fuck to them. Fuck boys, we give fuck, we don't care. We don't give a fuck to them. We don't give a fuck, we don't care. Where my mama tell stands day? Mama tells her prepare. Mama tells her prepare. Hey, what's shocking you? Doma 1 or Callisto? Doma 1 or Callisto? Hey, me I don't go Callisto before. Classroom or no? No. Only BB. Yes, we in the boys' school. In the boys' school. In the boys' team. But if I do something for the girls, are they lie? PRESEC with the caring boys, are they lie? So if the ladies day here, you guys will sing this one with me. Ladies, are you ready? We're ready, yeah. Go. So right, well, yeah, go and cheer, watch. Hey. So I'm saying, about Trico, I dare here make you know that I'm a killer, I can't kill it. She be freaky, up a silly. Dear Whopper, me to Shutdown. Let's go. Somebody Kuma, somebody Kuma, go. Yeah. You tell me the body of that, yes, I want it. You get no idea what I did the show, my hand, boy, 12 I'm in a job that gave you one of it. You actually sound like you looking into your blue eyes. She never can lose mama, or see your 12 show me how you want it. Did it, she can talk. Did I get see your 12 show me how you want it. Let's go, hey, rock, that's right. So to boy with the settings. Every day I'll be counting my blessing. Oh, time I better me. Gassy bro. Boysy bro. Let's all about it. Oh, about it. No more shawty in there. No more body in there. And I like shit all. Big up all the house 8 boys and the 82 boys 2015. Big up on this month. Big up Slim. Big up Richie. Big up Case. Big up Simple. Big up Drake. We shout out the whole place.
Every day is a holiday, that's down. Keep it to protect your grace and man can be go go to your grace fast. Every day is a holiday, that's down. Keep it to protect your grace and man can be go
Let's go! Energy, PRESEC, energy, yeah, okay, one. sir. Charlie. What you want to be a street you girl too? Hey, let me go. Me say what you want to be a street you girl? Go. Give me one. The guest Dawson. Okay, you know something? I beg you, before I go, I want to shake up the whole place. I say PRESEC will be double, will be studios, and we want to show them something small. Say something small. Something small. What are they wearing right now? It be PRESEC old boy do. Then they call them see something. Say see something. Before you go, he did their back there. Obianji be very cheap. What you see here? Because you look flash here, you see something. So before I go, I want to shake up and lock up the place. What you see here? Are you ready for shake up? Are you ready for shake up? Mommy to them on, Get me. Let's go.